Alright guys, and welcome back to a new video. So we're going to George this vacation. Definitely going to film a video. Alright guys, we're on our way to the farm and we already spotted a turtle in the road, so I'm quickly going to go catch it and show you guys. So we are going to the Oranje River. If I find anything along the way, I'll show you guys. Alright guys, still at the farm. Me and my girl are going to search for snakes, so let's see if we find anything. But first, just take a look at this view. And good morning guys, we are off and away to George. We're gonna have a stop at a waterfall in Marik. I'll obviously show you if I catch anything. Yeah, let's see. Alright guys, we stopped here in Marik at this awesome waterfall. Already took a swim, but we're gonna jump and just enjoy the water before we see George. That's my dad. Enjoy guys. Alright guys, first day at the beach, let's go! First thing we find is a crab. Take a look at this guys. Just caught this agama. Wow, he's feisty, wants to bite. So these guys will feed on all sorts of insects and small little critters that they find on these rocks, and then they will lay on these rocks and bake in the sun to get energy to catch these little critters. It has some beautiful coloration. Take a look at its back and at its head. Awesome little fella, but I think I'm going to put him back.
Oh, mommy.
Alright guys, so there we have our second agama. We're going to catch it. There we have it guys. Take a look at our second agama. This one is a bit smaller, a bluish kind of color. So I'm just going to put him right back. Alright guys, second day at the beach. We're at Mossel Bay right now. It's a little bit windy, but we're gonna swim later on, I think at Strand. Alright guys, so here at the beach in Mossel Bay, we're going to swim to a seal that is just chilling in the shallow waters, and yeah, see what he does. Let's see if we find anything. Sand is warm, guys. Alright guys, so today we are at Big Bay. I'm gonna boogie board for a bit. So today we're going clumping. If I find anything along the way, I will show you guys. Let's go. So we are clothing in the map of Africa. We are about at the east coast of Africa right now, but this is just a awesome location, beautiful location for this type of stuff. Extremely beautiful, and we love to be out here. Whoa guys, take a look at this. You sit there. Oh, let's go. Yes, ek so bly ek het 'n verkleer mannetjie. Maar hierdie is tog as die area vir hulle. Okay guys, so I just found this flat neck chameleon. He was on this stick, surrounded by water, so he was probably gonna drown. We're gonna save him right now. Alright guys, we're very close to the very end of this awesome trip. It was an awesome day guys. Clothing here at Caimans River in the map of Africa. We found a few awesome little creatures. I think the highlight was definitely that chameleon that I found on the stick, but I'll check you at the end guys. And that is the end of our clothing trip. Still can't believe that little chameleon that I found. I hope to do a bit more videos like this. This was really an awesome experience. Okay guys, me and Josh are gonna take a few trails here in George. Yeah, we're just gonna climb on our bicycles and ride and see if we see any rocks or stuff to lift, see if we can find anything. A sad update is that my GoPro actually broke, so I'm going to have to film on the phone for the rest of the video. Hopefully I will get that fixed as soon as possible. Yeah, let's see if we can find anything on the bike. Whoa, snake. Snake. Josh, can you quickly take the camera? I got it on the tail. I think it's a common slug eater. Alright guys, I just caught this common slug eater. Take a look at this cool looking snake. So this is a first common slug eater for me. Yeah, these guys mainly feed on slugs as the name indicates. Super happy about this snake. I just found it under a rock on our little hiking trail. So this is awesome. I'm just going to release it. This is my first snake of the year because today is the 1st of January. So yeah, that's a quick snake for the beginning of the year. Awesome, with Josh. Alright guys, and the second find, I just found a Cape Creeper. We're gonna ride up the Montsiki Pass. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Yeah, you can Alright guys, and that is the end of our vacation. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Till next time.